Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add price range on your Zillow app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign here, click on it here in app. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so here can you choose if you want to add for sale or for range on sold here. Then you just click on list price here. Then here can you add it. Can you choose list price you want to add here on this list. Then here can you just choose it or control it here. Then it's going to add with you here in this list. So then here can you, it's going to show for you price here in this sign. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. So then when you're done, you just click here on save results. Then it's going to save for you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.